Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Facial Moisturizer. This is a facial moisturizer that is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. According to the product description, this moisturizer contains ceramides and niacinamide, which are beneficial for all skin types. Ceramides help to strengthen the skin's barrier, while niacinamide helps to soothe and improve the skin's texture. This moisturizer is also fragrance-free and oil-free, which makes it a good option for people with sensitive skin. One of the benefits of this moisturizer is that it is lightweight and unscented. This means that it is a good option for people who don't like the feeling of heavy or greasy moisturizers on their skin. Additionally, this moisturizer absorbs quickly, so you don't have to wait for it to dry down before applying makeup. Some customers who have reviewed this product online say that they like it because it is lightweight, unscented, and absorbs quickly. However, some customers have also said that this moisturizer is not hydrating enough for their skin. Overall, La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Facial Moisturizer is a good option for people who are looking for a lightweight, fragrance-free moisturizer that absorbs quickly. However, it may not be hydrating enough for people with dry skin. Here are some additional things to consider before you purchase this product. Your skin type. This moisturizer is suitable for all skin types, but it may not be hydrating enough for people with dry skin. Your budget. This moisturizer costs $18.74 for 3.38 phthalates. I hope this review has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.